Alright, my 120 is set to the highest volume there is. So if you guys have any last words, comment them down below.
Warm with lows in the lower 60s.
Yeah,
And
it's
for Tuesday,
off.
partly sunny.
Oh no.
A chance of showers and thunderstorms in the afternoon. Warm with highs in the lower 80s.
I'm gonna turn these off.
Chance of rain 40%.
My heart is
The
pounding.
Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania climate summary for yesterday, May 19th, 2020. Yesterday's high temperature was 69 degrees. Record high.
Oh no!
Oh no.
Guys, help me!
You're listening to NOAA Weather Radio in Pennsylvania on a frequency of 162.55 megahertz.
Ouch!
Receiving tone signals were a test of the alarm device at this weather radio station. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers will be automatically activated by these tones to warn of impending
Wow.
Tests of these receivers are conducted by the National Weather Service between 11 a.m. and 12 noon on each Wednesday. This radio station, KIH35, serves the following counties in western Pennsylvania: Allegheny, Armstrong, Beaver, Butler, Fayette, Greene, Indiana, Lawrence, Washington, and Westmoreland. And in northern West Virginia, Brooke, Hancock, Marshall, and Ohio. And finally, in east central Ohio, Columbiana County.
County.
The National Weather Service now returns to our regular broadcast.
Stop signing again.
The forecast for Pittsburgh.
I have no idea why my